Oh, he should not be doing this. Oh, but.
Where the fuck did he go? Did he touch it? He touched me. What the hell are you doing? No, it's not what it is. I've been trying to find God. What not? You're fucking crazy. Doing it. Look, don't touch your fucking teeth. No, Dad. I told you before about this. You made that. You're not getting straight out of fucking. You're getting straight out of fucking ass. You made it to bring them with us in that chat. Well, we let you crack it out. Why? Or a little bit. I'm technically playing outside. I'm playing outside. I don't care. Dad, what the fuck are you doing? Dad, I swear to God.
Oh, shit.
What are you going to do? Oh, seriously, what are you going to do? I'm going to call Child Services. Call somebody, Jess. This isn't right. You can't do this to your child. Well, yes, I can. You're not listening. You're in my house. You're not listening. I have a game in there. I have Halo Reach. You should learn. That means something to me. Commitment to us that you wouldn't game. I made a commitment to that.
How many times
I made a commitment to that.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
You're sleeping hopeless.
Oh my god.
Are you fucking crazy?
I can't believe that happened.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. Yeah. I'm not done with you.
Don't do that.
What do you mean? It's fucking broken now. Oh, that's the you sprayed me with a hose.
Shit, where'd he go?
You guys are all mental. You promise. I fucking hate. You promise. It's gonna still work. You promise. You promise. Whatever. Hey, hello. Earth, your child. Do you even care? It's wet. Do you even care? Oh, it's wet? Yeah. It's called, it's broken, it's electronic.
I don't care, you don't listen. If you promise us something, you stick to it.
I swear to God, you fill one more fucking habit, I get your whole fucking camera wet, huh?
Are you gonna have a go swim with the fishies like your little Xbox there? Huh? Oh, you're gonna have to wash that. How many things of yours have gotten wet today?
How the fuck do you work this thing? Sorry, piece of shit! Shit, fuck!
Are you kidding me?